Hello teacher friends, I wanted to show you how to remove backgrounds in Canva. I'm going to give you some shortcuts, some tips and tricks. I actually think it's a little bit better than remove.bg. Let me know, what do you think? Let's dive in. So the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and head over to canva.com. Remember, if you're a teacher, you get a free pro account. Make sure you sign up for that free version. I can create a design or I can click on presentations. This is the size I want, 1920 by 1080 pixels. You can choose whatever size you want. So the only thing you're going to have to do is any photo that you want to remove the background, you're going to go here to uploads. Then you're going to upload your image from your computer. Once you have it, you go to uploads and you scroll down to your image and you can add as many images as you would like or that can fit. If you're going to be cutting these out, I would make sure that they don't overlap where you're going to be cutting them. I'm going to add a few here. I've already uploaded some images. So there I have 3. And now watch this. This is so quick and so easy. So I've got 3 images. I've placed them on my canvas. Let me first change the background. I've clicked on the slide. I'm going to change the background color so that you can actually see that the background's transparent. Click on your image, go to Effects, Remove Background. You don't have to wait for it. Click on the next photo and the next photo. All 3 of them, boom, the backgrounds have been removed. Just that easy. Then you just go right over here. If you want to download them, you can use them in Google Slides and you just click transparent background. Once you've downloaded it with the transparent background, go to slides or wherever you want to place these images. So I've got the colored background so you can see. I'm going to go to insert, image, upload from my computer. I forgot to title that last one, but there it is. All done. You've got your 3 images on your slide. Now, if you want to just have 1 image on each slide, all you have to do is double click and crop out the images that you do not want on this slide. So if I just want champion right there, done. If I click on the slide, press Ctrl D, that'll duplicate the slide. But wait, those other photos aren't there. All you have to do is double click. They're still there. Crop again for the image that you want and just Ctrl D, duplicate it again. And that's it. It's that simple to remove backgrounds in canva.com. If you need more tips and tricks on Canva, go ahead and check out these videos here that I've selected for you. Remember, be uniquely wonderful you and have a great day. Bye.